Hi, I'm Bill, and welcome to another quick tip for people new to N.I.N.A, Nighttime Imaging and Astronomy. In this quick tip, I'm going to show you where to go to back up your profiles. So let's go into N.I.N.A. Being new to N.I.N.A, you're probably learning that you have the opportunity to set up profiles. See, for here, I have a profile for my RedCat 51. When you first load up N.I.N.A, there's going to be a default profile, but you can create other profiles based upon your telescope, camera, mount combination. You have some flexibility there. And to show you the difference, let's just take a quick look at the default. So here's the default layout for the imaging tab. And now let's go into my profile. We'll load that. And we'll go into the imaging tab, and you can see I've customized the imaging tab to meet my needs. So that's one of the flexibilities about N.I.N.A. But the important thing, and what this tip is about, is we want to make sure that these profiles are backed up, because from time to time you may upgrade the version of N.I.N.A that you're using, and you would like to, if anything goes wrong, have a backup copies of your profiles at a minimum. You probably want to do the same for your templates and your sequences, and that'll be a separate tip where I'll cover that. So if you like these tips, please hit the notification bell so you know when a new one comes out. But where you're going to want to go to back up your profiles, you're going to want to go into wherever N.I.N.A is running, and for me it is in the users BPOP, that's my username, app data, local, and then N.I.N.A, and you'll see several directories, and the one where the profiles are stored is this here. And then really all I do is I create a new folder, and we'll just call this test, or it's arbitrary, you name it what you want. And then what I would do is I just copy these here. I'd open this folder and I'd paste, and now what I have saved on my desktop, if I were needing to restore the profiles, I've got a copy. So as you can see here, I have already on the desktop profile. So every time I upgrade my version of N.I.N.A, I make sure I back up the profiles. So that's where you'll find it, in your users, username, app data, local, N.I.N.A, and profiles. And when you do that, you can sleep a little bit more easier at night. So if you tend to roll forward on your version of N.I.N.A and anything goes wrong, you'll have your profiles. All right, if you like this tip, please give it a thumbs up, hit the notification bell. There's other tips coming for people that are new to N.I.N.A. Other than that, clear skies. See you next time.